This is my friend Rudy.
Today is April 25, birthday of my son, my youngest son.
Shout out.
Yeah, shout out to the world.
Jubert.
No, shout out to my son, Jubert Cuyus. I love you, son, and mini birthday to come in your life. I love you.
Sir, lami kini sir, nay baga-baga, nay
Baga-baga.
kitong, lami
Kitong.
kini siya sa baon sir.
Pila kilo na?
Nay mulmol. Puting inutan niya sir sa baon na to, pwede ba na to sa baon?
Sa pangalan ni
Kani siya mo ni kitong, kitong ni siya sir.
sa pakitong-kitong?
Kitong sir, pag matuno ka ni sir, baski patay na siya, matuno ka ni buhi gyapon ang burot gyapon. Mo na siya sakit kitong, natunog na ko ani sir, kadagana daw.
Wala kayo isdang bato.
So guys, this is a
Isda
beautiful
na,
fish,
Bart,
guys.
tara Bart. Baon na siya Bart, isda. Yan na may bato, mo na iwan isda sa bato. Tani mo na isda.
Mayo.
Kasi tawag ka na?
Sarap.
Baga-baga. Fresh, no? Grabe yun siya.
Gabi pa na ko mana sa gabi.
Wala ka ng mga octopus?
Naa pero di kawan nila.
I-hybrid pa nila pala.
Kwanta.
Pato pa sa
Kabalo
mall.
kwanta nang nila. Ihatan.
I-inform na to silang
Dako yan
tanan.
dako.
Octopus.
Unsa ka dako sa imo?
Dako kanya.
Feeling fish. Feeling fish.
Ato ani sa bawon part niya.
May pwede ba sabawan eh?
Ano sa bawon?
Tanan.
Masabaw po siya.
Naman may color green dito.
Iguang na siya pre kaya ng color green.
Ay, mapilaan na naman na.
Mol.
Buhi pa Bart.
Pero naa siya ano, no? Naa siya dako ng ipon.
Pagkana yung mundo nun, kung ano ito kadagkot ang kuha sa mga nagat. Bana mo, tuwagi.
Sabaw po sa lagi pulo.
So guys, this is a very humble person in all the world. Imagine, he's a rich though. Ang yaman-yaman niya eh. The owner of the Vios.
Kaibigan ko kasi siya pang owner ng sasakyan. Siya pang magmamaniya.
He's ready to serve for the French.
Dito sa sa dagat. Siya pang luluto para sa
And take note, hindi siya nag-charge sa atin ng gasolina for the Vios ha. Tapos right now, nagsisilbi siya. Pwede ba nga kami na lang ang mag-ano sir?
Sabi ko talaga. Pangbihira ang
Sir ko to.
itong klaseng tao. Dito,
Did you enjoy it?
Hindi mo mahanap sa isang daan? Nakatao? Hindi mo yan mahanap.
Did you enjoy it? Pero yeah, very humble.
Very humble.
Never entitled. Kahit nakaangat sa buhay pero tayo lang
Kung
nandun.
may mangligaw dito, hindi na siya pahirapan.
Yes, but anyways, ito yung ano niya, the fishes earlier, the stonefish and the other fish and the bangus. What's the more impressive here is the very humble guy. Ana gidapat no?
Your name, pre? Real name?
Jean-France Chua.
James Assistant.
As James Assistant. Ay, Russian man din siya. Russian siya.
So, pangbihira talaga kung makakaibigan ka ng Russia.
Ay oo. Bihira lang mga ganyan. Minsan tayo mga mahihirap ang inuutosan.
Mga dawlins tayo eh.
It's very unusual here in the Philippines that when someone is, become rich and yet they still do this. But usually and basically, they let us do these things because they can afford everything. Imagine the owner of the Vios. Oh my God. But look, what he did to us. He let this guy, he let us enjoy the moment while he's
How about you?
Oh, wala lang, mapalit ang tag-ice. While he's just serving us through grilling. You're very amazing and fantastic.
Fantastic.
So guys, ang stonefish guys is already cooked. Asa na tong night color? Where? Of course. This one.
Ano may tabo si Mulay?
Say pangalan ni, what's the name of this fish?
Juan, mulmul.
We call it molmol.
Di ba gwapa magato sa
So this one, tong fresh pa no?
Subaw kang hindi niyo ito mo
Not dark. So we are wondering why. But actually this is the one with the color green earlier when it's fresh. And when it's cooked, and this is how it looks like. So the Asmin is over there.
Tingnan ko na yung wala. Buhi ko na.
The best and a good friend. Ang pinaka-humble o pinaka-fantastic na friend of all.
Ang sarap dito guys. Balik-balikan.
And this is Roderick. Roderick ba na? Roderick Hoyos.
Ako ba din ang kupos?
Rinan. So silang tanan guys, ako rin makalilimos sila kay mga yaman man ni. Kini this is owner, manager man siya sa usa ka what you call that? Fancy restaurant. Imagine originated in Canada. Tama ba kanin? Canada.
Kaya mo radya ko do. Tubangan?
Furniture owner. And among pinaka-millionaire. Pero nadre ang trillionaire guys.
Kana.
This is a trillionaire. So the circle of friends namin, millionaire, billionaire. Asa na ba? Ang ako ani, basuriro guys. The scavenger. The rubbish. Nobody else. But let's enjoy and feel the moment. Katong ocean. Wapo kay sabay oy. Or Spanish ba? Spanish ka ba? Spanish. We'll see you later guys. Guys, another colorful fish guys. What's the name of the fish?
Kuan gini sa ginsim na sa ginsim.
Ha? What's the name?
Sa ginsim.
Sa Ginsim. This is from our brother, Badjaw brother. Badjaw ba mo guys? Brother, Badjaw brother. Oh, grabe. Sila yung mga, uy na yellow. Mura man siya finding nimo. Pero, bago lang may nagpalit brother. So sorry lang ha, para dili na mo mapalit. Kaya hindi naman pwede paliton kung amo lang ilabay. Okay lang? Hay sa akong vlog be. Salute to our, ano yung sa tawag? Salute sa ato ang Badjaw brother na. Grabe ka mga hardworking ito. Oh. Eskwela ka wala?
Wala.
Good job. Ikaw?
Wala. Kahit yung mga tagpatang eskwela.
Ah, tama. Mindset. That's the mindset. Okay lang. Basta dila sa may magpalit ha kay nakapalit mi atong mga isa sa bato.
Sige lang, kaya na-post naman kanira.
Pero kudos guys, this is our Badjaw brother guys, very resourceful. Bye. Kasarinan oh. Mag-smile ang mga person. Tara, go! Tara! Gabi ka happy, di ba? Oh. Ay, lagay pa na. Guys, enjoy na ba ang life, guys? Gabi ka ligaw. Diba? Shot! Ah. So, gabi ka ligaw, no? Happy ka ligaw. Woo! Ano mga happy ka, be? Go, go, go! Hello, guys. I have my beer here. And with Tata, the happiest person sa tanang kalibutan. Yay! Oh, happy. Oh. Ang smile daw, babe. Ang smile sa happy. Happy. Walay, ano ba? Walay puwang ang kagool. Walay pang kagool. Malipay kung malipay ang tao. Malipay ka. Kasi kung saan pa ang mga dilubyong maabot, malipay gihapon. Ay, sabi sa dagat, guys. Muna pinakadato na kong Omega sa Marillo.
Hi, dato ko na.
The rich yes. Muna ko rin bahala mo kata.
Dato.
Guys, this is the owner. Guys, this is a very humble guy, which is
Yes, this is the very rich people.
one of the richest people
my
in
neighbor.
Marillo.
Our neighbor.
Pero guys, grabe ka down to
Our
earth,
neighbor.
guys.
Laga,
It-
our neighbor. Yeah.
Bridget, pero down to earth ba,
Oh,
no?
yes.
Imagine,
Yeah.
down to earth. Pero na ganang imuhang net worth, about 1 million.
Oh, sana all.
Alam, ayaw ano yung tax sa BIR. BIR, shout out, ayaw sa ha. Not now. But well, anyways guys, honestly speaking, one of my friend in elementary, childhood friend, elementary friend, who's been considered as a successful as of now. Yeah. Kasi, the lover is there. Yeah. Kiss, kiss. Oh, the couple. Ay, napapinag-tone sila. But yes, anyways, But yes, anyways, balik ka lang kay Gray. One of my inspiration, I want to be him. Gusto kong magkabiyos. Wala labot ang universe.
Oh, sana all. Like, me too.
If not
I
Vios,
want it.
well actually ako yung pangarap ko, Raptor man yun.
Wow.
Pero nag-start lang sa pangarap na ko.
Ako lang Estrada.
Nag-start lang sa pangarap na ko
Good.
nga.
Only Estrada.
Well, it is all started na ang akong friend, an elementary classmate, ay, ano ba, katawa ba childhood friend? Yung kababata
Yeah. Childhood.
Consider ba?
Yeah.
Kasi di ko naman kuno. Akong childhood friend for almost 33 na may edad. Oh, pareho may edad guys. Pero nagkasakyanan siya guys.
Bukbuk.
So how come impossible na dili ako na pwede mabuhat? Pareho
Kung
naman
mabuhat niya, mabuhat ako.
Oh, yes. And anyway, pareho mag-liver, pareho mag-lungs, pareho mag-pancreas. Dili siya alien. So akong pangarap, kung kaya ni Mang Bios, ilaban ako ang Raptor.
Kaka, ako wala motor.
Motor?
Yeah.
Hindi ko gusto motor ko eh.
Ako sila ko motor.
Gusto ko Raptor.
Para
Pero
dali na mo.
ito, honestly speaking guys, Tata guys are one of the best guy in the world. The most happiest. Despite of all the challenges in life.
Wow.
Keep smiling, Tata! Keep smiling!
Keep smiling.
Roderick pa na akong ginto.
No, we got
Si Roderick. Si Roderick is the happiest person in the world. Guys, this is my friend Roderick.
Today is April 25, birthday of my son, my youngest son.
Shout out?
Yeah, shout out to the world.
Jobert.
No, shout out to my son, Jobert Tuyos.
Jobert.
I love you, son, and mini birthday to come in your life. I love you.
May karisma si Jubert eh. Uy, this is Goki? This is Goki guys.
Hi,
Hello
guys.
This is my very best friend Goki. Guys, what you're doing Gok? Okay, tell me.
I get fish. I get fish.
Let us know kung ano
Ay,
ginagawa.
si Father.
So, we will start. Shut up.
Shut.
Uy, dito German pero German okay. Sana ni vlog man. Oh, hi guys. This is Gokok. Yeah.
Asmin ka man.
Hi.
Ako eh.
Okay guys.
Ako isa pa.
First, okay lang kayo. Ang bra.
Ali, day!
Magkatapo naman karo. Sige naman.
Ginawa.
Wala may mawala.
Okay. Sige, tao sa kadali.
Ali, Ren!
So guys, this is Goki, our singer. Baka sa ba? Mananagat. So ako na magtanggal. This is my very best friend for 10 years. Yes. So yes. And kakabit lang namin ngayon. We've just met just this day.
Fish!
Grabe ba? Ay, ano to?
Fish! Fresh fish! Fresh fish! From the ocean!
Fresh fish from the ocean. god! Oh my god!
Ocean. Oh, from the
Did you?
sea.
Yeah. Did you really get this? on the
Yeah,
ocean?
I get there by catching.
Did you catch it by your own?
Yeah, by own.
Oh my goodness. So sa pangalan na ni, what's the name of the fish? So tata, I go back. Igo is the what's the name?
Nakalimot ko.
Impay guys. So now, hold it. Hawakan mo muna.
Okay.
Pabisaya ka sa vlog. Tapos English. Pero wala. Wala kalinga. Wala guys. English, Bisaya, and Tagalog and everything. So, sige. Guys, we will having interview with the fisherman. We will having interview with our
Our guests. Our
well, anyways, guys, I am with my friend, Christopher. Christopher. He know how to fish, and look what you have right now. This is a pukot. We call it pukot,
Pukot.
which is
To
net.
big fish.
Net
Yeah,
na ba,
yeah,
te?
yeah. This is net.
Pero the question is, grabe ka.
What's that?
The question is, why we have this? Okay. Why we have this like sleepers, something like that? What's the purpose? What's the purpose? To float.
Yeah, to float.
Okay.
To float it.
So guys, I am wondering why there is a lot of sleepers like this.
Like this?
A rubber.
Rubber. Yeah.
So to make it float the net. So what we are going to do right now? Hey, wait. Sundan tata. So my friend is a local. We're having so much fun, guys.
In one.
Asmin! Ayoko na i-cut to. This is the best momentum. Hi, PL. Hoy, nagsan-block ka? Gok, asa ka, Gok? Ha? Hoy, mag-uban ko. Hoy, asa ka, Gok? Asa ba? So, people are playing, I don't know if this is called a beach volleyball. But it's Gok. Asa ta, Gok? Dito? Okay, go. Pagay sa dire. So possible kung saan ato makuha nga mga kind of Hi. Buaya, the crocodile. Didn't know. Pero Gok, well good. The starfish, oh yeah. Is that the sanctuary of anong tawag nga, Gok? Sea turtle? Pawikan. Right. So guys, mangrove ba na?
Mangrove.
Okay guys, pag-English lang kita ka. So, para masabtan sa tanan, kapoy na dyan kasi English. But well, anyways, I know I have some viewers from Mexico. And then, Gok, nasa lagi natawag ito Rio. So, in Rio, andun lahat ng mga species. But well, anyways, in Davao City, Philippines, guys, we are conserving the life of sea turtle. No? Kawikan. Which is, the government will kanang
Abitis Power Company.
yeah through Aboitiz Power and Company in collaboration with the city government, tama ba ko? Sa pagkipagtulungan, they will made a sanctuary for the sea turtle. Yeah, which so there is a restricted dira. Okay, so which is that mangrove area where the sea turtle are freely lay their eggs. And I'm so glad having my friends here, which is a local here in this particular resort. So ano bang what should I do, or what we will going to do? Anong gagawin natin using that net? Paano ba? How can we catch a fish? So is that is that like that, swimming around and around? So magtuyok-tuyok lang kaglangoy. So what's the role of this rubbers floating, Guki? So do I have to hold this? Hawakan ako na? Well guys, I don't know guys. But yeah, above all, we are not longing for a catch of fishes. But yes, I am so impressed because there's a lot of sea turtle out there on that mangrove area, which is restricted for the people coming there. As you can see, there's a lot of people coming on the beaches, but they are not allowed to go on there because there is a lot of sea turtle laying their eggs, and we are protected. Oh my god, I don't know this is going to be happen. Guys, I'm very ignorant guys, because I am living in the forest, which is I don't know how to fish. But yes, as the mangrove, this very particular time is about to go like high tide. I don't know. Yeah, it's a high tide, so it is good for fishing. So my friend is swam out there in the, like almost in the middle of the ocean, And I don't know what's the point of swimming. But yeah, I let him do it since I don't know how ocean works because I live in the forest. But yeah, if I live in the forest, I know how to do it. But yeah, is it okay? Do we have catch? We're actually catching fish, guys, because this is a fish net. May huli ba? Wala. So it's a zero. It's a zero. So it's a zero, guys. So no catch. My friend, no catch.
No.
Because of the season, maybe. The fishes are, you know, nag-swim away ng palayo sila, di ba? So you just leave that net there? Oh, really? Really? The net, you just leave it. When we go back here, it is possible na may makuha tayo. Can we catch something? Oh, we just leave the net there, guys. And then maybe later on, we will get back. And there is a possibility that we can catch a fish. We'll go, wait. So guys, this is a part of the net. And we are going deeper and deeper. Look, the sleepers. Is this a sleepers? But anyways, the rubbers going from here to there. Go, let's go. Oh, na may music. Hey guys, from this, ano yun? Fresh water to sea salt. Sea salt na. It's because from the mountain to wala, bibiyaan naman akong pukot. Dito, somewhere in the sanctuary. Ay, di rin lang.
Bugol mo palit pa.
Ha? Siya pa na yung balat. Ingit. Halapin natin. Hey guys. Ay, gat mo?
Kani super. Nabi ka enjoy.
So much enjoy.
Puhon na po, puhon.
Anong balik?
Mas karon do.
It's summertime, guys, and you know, as you can see, guys, there is no sunlight coming out. It is all cloudy. It is all perfect for beach. Yeah, we are not get burned, but yeah. Ready, go. Ready na. Go, 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 go. My friend,
Hi!
akong friend ako.
Ako sundago.
Ginasure ko na akong friend na mag-apply siya of SPF 50.
For friend.
Hoy, mag-thank you ko sa taga-Australia nga naghatag.
Hi, thank you for your sponsor.
Sabi mo, thank you for
Thank you for sponsor.
Paul.
Thank you, Paul. You give me again. Thank you.
Hi dear Paul.
Hello, Paul. Thank you for everything that you give to my friend.
This is not just my friend, this is my
My
like a sister.
best friend, like a sister. Yeah.
Ah, sister, yeah.
Yeah. Hello. Can you give me a pump?
Wow. This is my sister Paul.
Yeah. Hello.
She loves your gift of the, you know, the
yeah, it's
sunscreen.
sunscreen.
Comfort.
Yeah.
Guys,
It's
comfort.
good. Yeah, it's good.
Hey Paul, shout out.
Hello.
Thank you love, I love you.
Ay, sana ko.
Kung saan nila akong dato nga friend. Dahil gipuno sa tanang chismis, kaya dato na. Guys, masuya madyan.
Masuya ko din. Sana yung part ay hatag sa tuwa.
Yes, correct. Oh.
Sana yung part ay hatag sa tuwa.
Kung manubra.
Yeah.
Ang problema, mag-chismisan, mag-usyote.
Paano siya nakagit ng money na wala siyang work?
Kailangan magbabalaan lang tanan. Pagkuya mo sa balaybe. Shout out sa mga marites nga na question ba po ko nila. Ganun daw ko. Pamuyo ko balaybe, promise.
Wala ba? Kasi nakagit kwarta, wala ka trabaho.
Baka kita nila kang ilahan ako kita nga trabaho dapat mag-umak ka.
Pag umaka, para na kayo makita.
Dapat pre, dapat pre, magdaro ka pre. Dapat magdaro ka pre. Magdaro ko. Dapat mo makitikol managko.
Nagkakatari siya.
Kasi the fact ang mga shout out lang yun ako na i-post. Ang mga silingan na mga tagaw kung taga-bukid. Nagtuo sila nga ang pangorta nasa Uma Province.
No.
Karon ako pre. Kung saan na namin guys.
Yeah. You can get money by doing
Farming.
something farming.
Kung sa unang panahon guys, ang inyong pagtuo mga haul tanan mga kwarta, mga haul og tabon.
No.
Mga journal.
Not now. Yeah, not now.
Kung saan na lang minga may kabaluhan sa online. Nga i-charge mo naman ninyong illegal.
Today I get money by easy.
Porque tayo pinakakwarta ng illegal dahil
No.
i-charge ng garingan. May kung saan trabaho na putang inam. Pag VA mo, VA? Ano akong ligo? Sige, nagreklamo ko nakakwarta daw nga sa pundog balay. Pag VA daw mo, bigo. Kisa ba di pag VA?
Uy, tani mo, permit na mga mego.
Ang mga bulok nagreklamo. Kaya nga nagpundo na may balay namin kwarta. Animal, punyeta. Pag VA mo!
Ang bakla sa tutok sa'yo mo.
Sorry, guys.
Ayun siya, naalas na kanan.
Recommendation. Oh, bitaw. Pabiling happy kayo kita. Ate Nene, wish you
Today is April 25, the day of birthday of my son.
Pag-message ka Ate Nene bro.
Happy birthday to my son, and thank you to my sister Johnny P. Montalvo. Thank you for your gift, and also to my sister Joby Montalvo. Thank you for your ticket. Thank you for your ticket. Yeah.
May mga sponsorship.
Sponsor ba na? Sponsor pa!
Oy, Ate Nini ay
Laga, sponsor by
Junipe ay
Jollibee and Jorbirino Salvo. Yeah.
Pero dapat na sila diri no.
Oh, okay lang.
Guys, pabalik ko balik Pilipinas. Guys, please baka ko lang. Nani mi ka-enjoy.
Sponsor. This outside of 1,000.
Mayaman sa mga sponsor ko.
Lahat ay
Gabi-gabi lang ako. Sa man dire. Guys, si Gopi guys, pinaka-cute sa Dumalang. Hello! Takadabaw! Ako na 3 doors. Kaya sa chismes gibuhat guys. Punta ka balo i-off na tong